First round. Sabdo kayo sa kabili. Uy, magkapadandaan dyan. Pinapayagan.
Magkano dito naman?
Good. Bola na punta kay Sergeant Jabon. Easy 2 points by Sergeant Karaman. Sergeant Aris ang dadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Group. Goku kay Goku. Pinasa kay Goku. Pinasa kay Person. Tasom. Nakuha ni Sergeant Jabon. Tumatakbo. Rebound by Person. Dampoy, tumira ng doon.
Ay!
No good. Red ball. Okay. Look guys. First pass to Silent Darawan, rebound by Goku, walang iba. Ito na si Dampoy. Dampoy tumatakbo. Dala bola. Tingin kay Aris pero pass kay Tarzan with the drive. Oh, 2 points for Tarzan. Score. Night Stalker, Serge Jabon, pass to Kisses. Oh, pass to first round, driving, pass to Kisses for 3. Rebound by Goku. Arizala, kakabase off lang nito, pasa kay Goku. Tumira ng 3. Boom! Rebound by Tagohoy. Rebound. Stolen by Night Stalker, driving the ball. What a drive. Foul on. Oh. Foul on sir. Foul on Goku. Arizala, Milo, everyday okay, pass to go, pass to Elstero, pass to Dampoy, pass on, magpasahan na lang kayo. Aris, tumiro ng break, boom, wala, rebound by First Ramos, wala na bola, hold, pass kay Rajon Rondo, pass to, deflected by Arizala. Ganda ng laro guys, first game natin, very intense. Sobrang init ng panahon at ng laro. Rajon Rondo tumira lang. Foul! Shooting foul by Hermie. First shot is bad. Second shot is airball. Kaya. Warm up. Dagohoy, pass to Tarzan, pass to Sir GC, driving the ball. Contested, pero rebound by Elstero. Another offensive rebound, Elstero. Rajon Rondo with his first personal foul. Tarzan, pass to Aris. Aris, pass to Goku. Sure. Oh, Tarzan, good. Pumira. Rebound by Berse. Berse the kisses, pass to Night Stalker. Night Stalker, tumatakbo sa umaga, tumatakbo. Driving the basket, it's good. Grabe naman, Night Stalker with the... Grabe naman, Night Stalker. Pero tutulan niya rin ala ni Stalker by First Ramos. Grabe naman, ang bilis ng kamay ni First Ramos. First Ramos driving the basket. What a layup by First Ramos. Very big. El Estéreo, Rey Mysterio, pass to the goal, pass to Tarzan. Good. Nice over. Mabawi. 4-8. First Ramos driving the back ball. Pass to Rajon Rondo. Pass to Serta Raman. Pass to First Ramos. First Ramos driving. Shoot. No good. Rebound by Rey Mysterio. Pass to First Tarzan. Good layup. Score 6-8 in favor of Delta. Pero Rajon Rondo na driving the basket. No foul yun ha. Rebound by Dagoy. Pass to Rey Mysterio. Tumatakbo. Tato versus 1. Rebound. Wala. All 8 na. Lamang parehas. Nice over pass to Berse, titira ng 3. Hindi, nag-fake. Dumiretso sa basket. Layup. It's good. No foul.
Walang seryosohan.
Lang seryosohan. Sabi nga, just enjoy.
Super serious, Ekwan.
Game clock, 14 and 30 seconds. Rebound by Rajon Rondo. Milo. No call. Tumira ng 3, Rajon Rondo. No good. Rebound by Rey Mysterio. Driving. Takbo, bangga. Sige, bangga. Driving the ball. No good. May kasama bang foul? Taas kamay yung foul. Berse kisses. First personal foul.
Dua.
Second team foul for Team Delta. First shot is good by Rey Mysterio. Walang appear kay Rey Mysterio. Substitution. Rondo out. Ang escort ng Delta in. Grabe naman. Isang kagatlabi naman dyan, boy. Second shot. Good. Score 10/10.
Game clock, 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Yun, tumira ng 3 kisses. Boom! Shot is air ball. Wala pa, farm muna.
Walang magpapamasyado.
Walang pakilaman mag-farm. Ito na, si Arizala. Adjal, driving ball, chill lang. Pero Milo, pass to Rey Mysterio. Tumira ng 3. Board. Pass. First Ramos, pass to the escort. Hindi lang bola, last touch. Last touch team, basta bola ng Alpha. Arizala,
Tira, sir!
easy port. Ilista mo na ang rebound Berse, pass to Night Stalker. Night Stalker tumatakbo sa umaga. Night Stalker pass to, deflected by Rey Mysterio. Same ball. Score.
Game clock, 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 minutes 30 seconds. That shot clock was brought to you by Nature Spring Water. Ang hari ng padala. Pass to, ito na, Jesus to Sergeant Daraman. No foul? Ilang team foul? Second team foul. Foul on Arizala.
Tanggapin mo lang.
Last 2 minutes.
Night Stalker, titira ba? Knock-drive ng basket. 1-2, pass to First Ramos. Pabilis ang pasa. Pasahan na lang. And 1. May kasama pang foul. Foul on. Who's foul? Sir, ref. Who's foul, sir?
Who's foul, ref?
Please raise your hand. Ikaw na nga, Rey Mysterio. First personal foul. Third team foul. Basket is no good, ha? Okay. Top point. Pasa. Deflected by, Luke Skywalker.
Game clock, 1 minute and 51 seconds.
Arizala pass to Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio. Oh, spin move pass to Sir Samson. Sir Samson pass to Rey. With a gentleman move. Shoot the basket. Night Stalker pass to Kisses. Kisses versus Kisses. Screen by Sir Daraman. Pass to Sir Daraman. Nakuha ni Elesterio. Elesterio pinasa kay Sir Tarzan. First Tarzan. Pinasa kay Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio back to Tarzan. Foul. Oh, Night Stalker. First personal foul. Third team foul. Third team foul.
Game clock, 1 minute and 14 seconds.
That game time was brought to you by Jomar Ongin. That one. Oh, basket no good, pero rebound pa rin kay First Sam. 14 shots, no good pa rin. Arizala, tumiro pa natin. Rebound, Kisses, versus, pass to, sino to? Night Stalker. Target J-Ball, pass to, look, hey, what naman? Ang daming fake na nangyari.
59 seconds.
Arizala driving the basket, pass to Dagohoy, Damboy driving shot, it's no good, rebound Perse pa din. Perse, pass to First Ramos driving, 1 versus 2, walang wala yan, rebound pa rin ni First Ramos, pass to Night Stalker, wala pa rin, rebound by Goku. Sir GC, pass to First Tarzan, back to GC,
Sorry, bitawan.
outside, si Luke,
29 seconds.
39 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Running time ba, sir? Kisses. Nagharap ng tao. Pasa to Sergeant Daraman. Deflected. Pala, by
20 seconds.
Ang pilit ni Arizala. Grabe naman yung Jerry. End of the first quarter. Ang score ay 14-12 in favor of Team Alpha. Lamang ang 14. Juice muna. Meron tayo dito juice. Care of Ruth Likigan. Ang moto. Anong yung moto mo, Ruth? Lahat nakatingin sa'yo. Basta yun na yun. Matabang? Okay lang yan. Matabang ay baka COVID na iyan. Tama lang. Laro ko, Pin. Uy, sirato. Long ball. dito, burst, kisses. Yung ano po, yung nangyari nyo.
May harap sir eh.
Dapat laro ka lang laro para makalo ka. Ball game, ball game! Blue team ball. Tama naman, bawal daw muna magpirenda ang hindi player. Game time, second quarter. Yung mga bagong mukha dito, bagong mukha, Timmy, 1.12. Anong klaseng number yan? Timmy, Sir Daroles, Amande, Sir Adona, Sir Daroles, walang kumpas. Uy, rebound, Kisses, tumatakbo, Kisses. Hanap ng padahan, tumira ng dos, pull up jumper is good by Kisses, number 21. 14 all, parehas naman, sir. Ito na. Sir Germ, pass to Sir Daroles. Sir Daroles, pull up jumper. Rebound by Amante, away pa. Kakampi lang. Grabing pa kayo. Rebound by Nice Stalker, tumatakbo. Tumingin, wala. Tumingin sa basket. Nice score by Delta. Ayan na, Mr. Longball pass to. Deflected by Sir Gopil. Ball, Alpha. 4-4. Mr. Longball for 3. No good. Rebound. Last touch. Alpha. Last touch, sir. Okay. Last touch mo, Alpha. Last touch, Alpha, sir. Wala. Long pass, deflected by Amande. Okay, good steal by Amande. Pass to Sir George. Uy, hindi yun. Pula yun. Ay, tama. Driving the basket, pass to Kisses, pull up jumper is no good. Rebound by Sir Adona. Sir Daroles, hanap, pass kay Sir Adona. Wow! Jambo Hando. Jaguar, tubig. Okay, good yun. Pinasa yun. Pasa kay Sir Capelli. Umapat, tumalon ang... Maganda yung laro natin dito. Ito na, Timmy 1.12 pass to Amande. Monday classmate, driving the ball, Mark Lawrence, driving basket, Sir Adona. Wala pa din, dribble pa din ng Alpha. Basket is good.
Game clock, 7 minutes and 8 seconds.
That time check was brought to you by Topico, the number 1 leche. Nice stalker driving the basket. Third drop is good. Nah. Sergeant Servino. Pass to Sergeant Amande driving the ball. Pagkahala. Paso ka na. Rebound by Nice stalker. Nice stalker. Nag-turbo na. Nag-activate na. Foul on the court. No foul. No foul. And one. Court. May kasama pang foul.
Who's foul rep?
Who's foul rep? Third. Foul on Sir Daroles. First personal foul. Third team foul. Team foul. Rebound by Berse. Pass to Night Stalker. Tumira off. Back to Berse. Berse. Hanap. Oh, good. Nag-drive na. Oh, speed move. Foul. Ano pala? Who's foul? Foul on Mark Lawrence. His first personal foul. Fourth na ba? Fourth na sir, no? Amanda sir. 14 foul. First shot is good, ha? First shot is good. Second shot, also good. Yes, sir. 2 points. Dito, basket. Dalawa, double team. Pass to Amande. Amande, pass to Mr. Longbal. Longbal for 3. Ito na. Nice stalker, masyadong mabilis. Pero hindi nakuha. Kuha ni Amande. Pero this. Their turn. Kumapas, tumalon ng magda. Their turn. Professional layup. Long pass to Nice stalker. Basic layup. Mabilis ang 2 points by Team Delta. Pass to Sir Daroles. No good. Rebound. Seradona. Oh, deflected by. Grabe naman yung kamay mo doon. Nice block. Sergeant pass to Sir Daroles. Driving. Spin move. Layup. Good. Grabe naman, mala NBA ang galawan. Pero ito na, Nice stalker, mabilisan lang. Oh, foul! Foul on. Amande, bola, kitang-kita. Kitang-kita sa replay. Foul on. Mark Lawrence. Penalty, fifth team foul. Oh, side view. First shot is no good.
Game clock, 4 minutes and 14 seconds.
Second shot. Mr. Longbal. Back to Sir Daroles. Sir Tango Dars driving. Grabe, deflected by Sir Kapili. Nice stalker. Mabilis ang layup. No good. Kulang pa sa solar panel power. Pero ito na. Sir. Foul on Kisses. Foul on Verse. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Team Alpha awarding for penalty. That is good. 3-point play. Mamaya. Night stalker driving the basket. 2 versus 1. Bola. What's the call? Call is cool. Good. Jump ball. Verse floor 3. Kulang. Sir Tango down. Uy! What's the call? Foul! Walang grabe. Who's foul? I think it's Verse. Third jump. Foul on Sergeant Night Stalker. Second personal foul. First shot is good. Time check. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Score is 28 this time. 29-25 in favor of Team Alpha. Ayan na, balingasa. Night Stalker. Amande, balingasa on Night Stalker. Night Foul! Ay, foul. Nice D. Nice D by the wall. Last 2 minutes. Substitution. Aguas out, Rondo in. Jump shot, 3-point, no goal, rebound by Sergio Pino. What a pass! Nice pass by Sergio Tangodars. Score is 31-25, favor of Alpha. Region Rondo, pass to Sapile.
Game clock, 1 minute and 51 seconds.
Amande, pass to Sir Garoles. Sir Tangodars. Lusong sa dalawa. Last touch. Okay, last touch is Color Alpha. Verse, mabilis ang pasa to Night Stalker with the basic. Kulang, hindi pala basic. Sir Night Stalker na pa-relapse sa layup. Na-relapse sa layup. Samantala, Sir Germs nag-layup is good. Ryder Rondo, game na, 2 versus 1. Bagaan on foul. Who's foul? Foul on Amande. Okay. Penalty. Substitution Team Delta. Fourth personal. Amande, fourth personal ha. Warning ka na, gagraduate ka na mamaya. Ha? Apat na. Stats don't lie. Oras,
1 minute and 23 seconds.
substitution. Pag ma-shoot, substitute. Alright. Kulang, mali ang Vectus, pero rito ni Sir Tangodars. Good. 2 points. Rajon Rondo, pass to Verse. Verse keys it. Oy, basic layup. It's good.
Last 59 seconds.
59 seconds. Milo, nakalusot. Lusot sa dalawa. Pass to Arizona. Arizona, kulang pa rin ang Vectus. Verse, pass to
45 seconds.
Pass to Night Stalker, pass to Bert Ramos. Shot is good by Bert Ramos.
30 seconds.
With the layup. Contested layup, mahirap yun.
25 seconds.
25 seconds. Paalala sa clock. Oh. Foul. Good foul, sir. Balingasa. Penalty, sir. First personal foul, Balingasa Timmy.
Nice one.
First shot is no good.
Box.
18 seconds.
18 seconds, time. 18 seconds ha. 1-8 seconds. Second shot. No good. Good. 18 seconds ha.
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
quarter was brought to you by Drive Max. Kas. Pampalakas, pampatigas ng buto. Sa itaas, sa ibaba. Wanto. Ay. Ito na nga. Halftime show by Likigan. Likigan, tumira ka muna ng half court. Likigan, tira half court. I won't die for you. Ay, ito ba tayo? Ano, Likigan. Tingin sa lahat. Kay Likigan lahat. Likigan. Halftime show by Likigan. Tumira ng great. Game ball. Okay, start of third quarter. Oh, what a 3-point by the Gohoy Dampoy. Mabilis ang tres lang yun. Score is 40-30. 10 na ang lamang. Uy, sumakot ng tres pero sobra. Rebound by Verde. Oh, foul. Foul on Rey Mysterio. Second personal foul. First team foul. First shot, no good. Last throw. Uy! Second shot is good. Rey Mysterio. Pass to Dagoy. Bangga. Pader. Aray ka. Game ball. Seconds to shoot. Tarzan for 3. Boarding. Rebound. Rebound by First Ramos. First Ramos. Running. Oh, naghanap. Nag-stop. Pass to Rondo. Rondo for 3. Ito muna ang rebound ni First Sam. First Sam. Pass to ano. Sino to? Arizala. Uy! Grabe pass to First Tarzan. First Tarzan to the goal for the 2-point rebound. Please. Uy! Grabing pake to First Ramos. Basic 2-point. Hindi pala basic yun. Hindi pumasok. Arizala driving the ball. Arizala, ano kaya ang diskarte? Milo, Milo, uy, spin move, pumasok, grabe naman yung tira na yun, galing na galing, rebound by Sir Daraman, Pass to Verde, Kijin. First Gisen, tumingin sa score. Oh, tira, 3.
Okay.
Aiko! Bola ng Team Alpha. Turnover. Arizala pass to Dagohoy, dami, Sergeant pass to first option, Milo, pass, nakuha pa rin ni Rey Mysterio. 2 points, no, sa baba. Labas lang. Foul yun, sir, foul. Who's foul, sir? Foul on First Ramos. His first personal foul. First Ramos, first personal foul. First team foul.
Game clock, 7 minutes.
Driving the ball, basic boarding. Basic boarding school. Sergeant J. Bond driving the basket. Sergeant J. Bond. Oh.
Tira! Balik!
Karte, pass.
10 to shoot.
Kakatlapi na siya. Wala rebound by. Sir Tango Darts. Pass to Arizala. Mabilis ang takbo lang. Boss Aris, Milo. Pasok. Block by the court. Foul on Sergeant J. Bond. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Shooting foul. First shot is good. Apir. Walang mag-apir. Selby, nag-apir eh. Yeah. Apir, nice. Second shot, also good.
44-31.
Oh. Ano yan eh, it boost your moral, you know? Okay, nice deflection, pero nakuha pa rin ni Berger. Jesus, count, block. No foul. No count.
Si Dave.
Dave, foul on. Who's foul?
Tatlo pa.
First shot.
Mysterio!
Rey Mysterio, foul on Rey Mysterio. Third personal foul, Rey Mysterio. Ha?
Tigisa sila.
Okay, sino ang masusunod?
Samson!
Okay, first Samson. Okay, score, the ref's decision is final, okay? Walang kukontra. Ubus yung oras, running time to, paalala lang po mga sir and ma'am. Running time po ito, ubus ang oras at time natin. First Samson with the long pass, pero lusot na between the legs ni Arizala.
Game clock, 4 minutes and 28 seconds.
Ilan?
Wala.
Verse with the sobra. Ibang pa din ni Verse. Fake. Aray ko. No good. All good. Rey Mysterio. Nag-6-1-9 sa hangin. Basket is good. Pass to Raman. Pass to First Ramos. Oh! What a gentleman's move. Oh, pass to Dagoy. Oh, time. Your foot is on the line, boss. Aray ko. Out of bounds. Kanina.
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Good layup ang taas. Good. Arizala, agricultural pass to Rey Mysterio, the transfer. No good. Good na. First round to nice toker, tumatakbo sa umaga. Sir Karaman. Oy, Rongado, mga confidence mo pasibik. Ito na. Jump point na may starting. Uy, ang ibat.
Game clock, 2 minutes and 39 seconds.
Sir, magsasubsir pwede na ba magsab? Substitution! 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 Sergeant Fermino, sub kay Aris. Boss, pahinga muna. Sa farm.
Game clock, 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
2 minutes, paalala lang po pala ha. Patapos na yung quarter, paalala lang po. Pwede po tayo mag-time out.
Nice,
3 points, no good. 3 ball by versus, no good pa din. 3 ball, 15. Third germ, pass to. Tagano.
Walang foul.
Last 2 minutes.
Basic 2 point by Kisses. Guys, Tagodars. Pass to Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio, number 6. 619 mo na yan, boy. Oy, between the legs. Pantay ni Rajon Rondo. Pass to Sergeant. Foul. Who's foul, sir? Foul on Stalker. Warning for graduation, Sir Night Stalker. Sir, warning din.
Time out.
Pati time out. For the first time in the history, nag-time out din. Time out, red team. Time.
Game time, 1 minute and 32 seconds.
Delta, warning for penalty. Pati si Sir Jabon, warning for foul out. Third year high school, third year college na sir. Nako. Okay, back to the ball game. I say again, game time, 1 minute and 34 seconds for our third quarter. Uy, Bishop, entra doy. Pasok. Kailangan nila ng holy power mo. Holy shot, Doy! Saka na! Nakita ka na!
Time check, 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Game. Kaninong kasal?
Kapik, sir. Ilalim yung kamay niya. Kapik, sir.
Referee's decision is final. Do not complain. Game. Oh, tingin nga. Nagkabanggaan. First jerk win. A basic contested layup yun. Mahirap yun. Professional.
Wala nang foul kay Verse.
First kisses. Tingin mo. Verse pa rin. Goals pa rin. Verse, grabe naman. Tawa-tawa lang Verse, grabe naman. Boy, lakas mo naman.
Last 59 seconds.
Mga bagay dito sa mundo ng mga tao. Rey Mysterio ng 619 sa ere. Oh, tumingin. Apak pa din. Score. Time. 52 seconds. Rajon Rondo. Oh. Pressure. Night Stalker. Oh, tumingin. Driving the ball. Wala na sa ball.
35 seconds.
Tarzan. 34 seconds. Score by Alpha.
30 seconds.
Perse. With a reverse. No, shoot na.
20 seconds.
50 seconds. Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio, KM250, pass to Tango Dart. Tango Dart with a speedy.
9, 8,
No good.
7,
Lagoy. Pause muna, pause. Time.
6 seconds. Last 6 seconds.
Last 6 seconds. Kailangan nang ilabas ang Malak-Hurry dyan. Ayan na.
5, 3, 2, 57-45 in favor of Alpha.
End of third quarter. Score is 57-45 in favor of Alpha. Waray kumpiyansa ha, waray kumpiyansa. Tama yan, tamang mindset. Waray magkumpiyansa. Okay, score of 3-0.
Game time!
Game time na tayo.
Okay. Dalawa pa sir, dalawa pa. Alpha. Alpha ball, Alpha. Alpha ball, Alpha. 6%. Order.
Kaninang bola to? Alpha. Charlie. Bola ng Charlie.
Delta ball.
After 1 minute, 2 minutes of discussion, it has been decided. Delta ball. To start the fourth quarter, Night Stalker, walang pahinga. Habang umiinit, lalong lumalakas. Solar panel pa na. Driving the basket. Well, this shot is good. Mysterio. Uy, what a steal. Pastor first kisses. Cobra. Foul on the court. Foul on TV. Ano sir? Third year. First personal foul.
Basket.
Third team foul. Hinay lang. Ay, Tango Dart. Sir, Tango Dart. Wala, sir. Nan. Uy! Stolen by Night Stalker. Ang bilis solar panel runway ng layup. Yun lang. Pass to. Tinanan pa sa airborne number 23. Rajon Rondo. Good kisses. Kisses 21. Full of jumpers. Great Mysterio to Mr. Longbam. Longbam with a long pass to Night Stalker. Night Stalker driving the ball. Pass to Sergeant Dark. Timeout. 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 Team Alpha. Timeout. Team Alpha. Score 57-52 in favor of Team Alpha. Score 57-52. Lamang ang 57. Arizala. First shot is good. No count. Time check.
8 minutes and 15 seconds.
Okay. May nahanap dalawang lingko pa.
Back to the ball game.
At huwag kang sumama, balik ka lang.
Arizala. Tinira na ba? Huwag ka na mag-isip-isip pa. Oh, foul. 3 seconds violation. Defensive. Sergio Roles with the 3 seconds violation. Okay. Time check. Go.
7 minutes and 14 seconds.
Nakabawi si Sergio Roles. Foul or good? Foul on Rajon Rondo. Third personal, sir. Third personal foul. Penalty na, sir? Penalty. Penalty na po. Touchdown line.
First total na sa fourth quarter. Penalty kagad.
Marami. Down.
Public act yan, may public act.
Stereo. That's super good. Hinga lang. 3 points. Uy! Escort. Rebound by escort pass to Night Stalker. Night Stalker driving the basket. Bounded. Timeout. Timeout.
Wala. Mamaya.
Wala pa.
Sorry. Globe. Ayun pala, sir. Ivan. Paksaut.
Tingnan lang mo tayo. Uy, grabe dyan yun. Nice pass. Na, Sergeant K9 ang gamit. 8-1. Shot is good at may kasama pang foul. Who's foul, sir? Sir Dark. Foul with Sir Raman. First personal foul. Ball. Sir, monitor ko ng maayos.
5 minutes and 38 seconds.
Kisses, tumira na ng 3. Rebound by Sergeant Germ. Sergeant Germ driving the basket. Galit na galit. Gustong mag-layup. Who's foul? Third jobs down. Who's foul, Red? Foul on Sergeant Javon. Ano? Wait. sir. Graduation song.
5 minutes and 6 seconds.
Wala tayong magagawa, sir. Referees, decision is final. Music, maestro. Substitution. First honor graduation. Night Stalker. Okay, that is good. Kung ano na Bishop, Rajon Rondo. Sige Doy, pakitaan mo ng ano, barbell.
Kaliga, tataas natin ng kaunti.
Remis, sarado ng barangay, alas 5 na, wala na. Bukas na lang ang reklamo. Arizala Agriculture shot is good! With the kamote shot! Rajon Rondo, spin ball! Apat, rebound by Sir Dons. Sergeant Germs. Oh, ikot. Time out, flag. Time out, flag. Break. Break yun. That flag retreat was brought to you by Security Section led by the NCOIC. Arizala Agricultural pass to Zaradola with a CMO. Pero Esos Verde tumatakbo. No foul ha. Verde panga kay Aris. Wala. Rolling.
Game clock, 3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Sergeant Hermino. Airborne 33 number
Last
8.
3 minutes.
Pass to Sir Tango Dars. Bantay ni Bishop. Doy. Kalingan mo, pantay mo, Doy. Sir Daroles. Shot is no good. Rebound, Doy. What the holy rebound. Pass to Bird. Pass to Sir Karaman. Masyadong mataas ang pasa. Holy rebound by Bishop. With the holy pass. Mamaya, Doy. Holy shot. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound. Nice steal. Nanakaw ni Burgess. Holy steal.
Last 2 minutes.
Si classmate Arizal. Oh, mailo sa agricultural farm. Oh, tumalon. Foul. Who's foul? Foul on Rajon Serrana. Oras.
1 minute and 57 seconds.
Warning for foul out. Penalty. Shot by Arizala. Agricultural shot. First shot is good. Second shot. Walang nag-appear. Second shot. Oh, di ba walang nag-appear? Di pumasok tuloy. Dapat only rebound by Yato Bishop. Pangkano, pangliga na to, men. Bigat na to. Wala pa. Side lang, side. Wala pa. Wala pa daw. Uy, Doy. Uy, huwag nyo naman iyan si Doy. Aris. Sergeant Darsky, pass to Rajon Rondo for three. No good. Well by Burst. Nice. Score. Okay, kanino? Red ball.
Game clock, 1 minute and 41 seconds.
41 seconds. Oy, what a steal by Rajon Rondo. Ayan na pala Aris, pero grabe, sumabay ang holy. Hindi talaga. Uy, nakawag pa ni Pendars. Good. No good. First Ramos, pass to Berse. Berse, Panzer Darsky, rebound by Sergeant Adona. Pero nanakawag ni Rajon Rondo. Rajon Rondo, uy! Sir Dars with a 2-point. 71. Tumira ng 3.
Last 57 seconds. Score pula. 50 seconds.
Game pa to. Good pa to, guys, ha? Still anyone.
40 seconds.
30 seconds. No foul. Ref.
30 seconds.
Titirata. Pinasa kay Rey Mysterio.
So,
Sir Roles. Sir Adona to Rey Mysterio. Oy! Your foot. Rebound.
20 seconds.
Oy! Circus shot. Rebound by First Ramos. Oh. Grabe ng Milo. Sumayaw.
10 seconds.
Oy! Labas nila.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the ball game. Final score 71-64. Panalo ang 71.
Apat na per.
Game. Nice game. Okay, next game.
Flashlight.